Hey everyone, welcome back to another error video. If you are facing problem with Netflix error code 1009, don't worry about it. In this video, I will show you how to fix this error. So keep the video till the end and follow my step. If you are using browser, then go to the three dot button and click on the setting. Now click on the privacy and security and go to the delete browser data and click on the advanced, select all time and delete data. After doing this, rip the page. Now sign in again and follow the step. If you are using Netflix app, then simply clear cache and data and log in again. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.